Welcome back, everyone. TV5 News at 9. We're continuing to look at innovative cancer treatments helping anyone in mid-Michigan. So a cancer diagnosis, of course, terrifying and overwhelming. But joining us this morning to give us another perspective on the McLaren Proton Therapy Center, we have nurse navigator Drita Nukulovic. Thanks so much for being here this morning. How are you?
Good, thank you. Thank you so much for having me.
Yeah, absolutely. Our pleasure. So can you start us off by telling us, nurse navigator, what it is, what do you do?
My job as the oncology nurse navigator is to help patients by educating them, the patients, their families, and their caregivers about the oncology process. They're going through the worst time of their life, and I'm here to make sure that not only are they educated, but everything is going as smoothly as possible for them. In any way that I can facilitate that by resources that they may need, I will work to do that with them.
That's got to be kind of a difficult job to, really navigate, so to speak. How do you really make sure, that families are in the best care?
It really is my passion as a nurse navigator, and I know the other navigators within the McLaren Carmanos Cancer Center that they feel the same way. Our patients are so brave and really humble us, and we're able to do the work because of them.
So who is eligible for nurse navigator services?
All the patients that walk through the cancer center have a nurse navigator available to them. It doesn't matter whether they're in surgical oncology, medical oncology, or as I am in radiation oncology. Any of us are available to them. They can reach out to any of us, and we will, if we don't know the answer, we will absolutely find it for them or the resource.
So, Drita, we've been listening to, how proton therapy works and how it's different from, typical treatments. So you specifically work with proton patients. Why is having a navigator so important for, these particular patients?
For some that may not be aware, there are only 2 proton therapy centers in the state of Michigan and approximately 43 working centers across the U.S. And it is not well known that that is a possible treatment, cutting edge technology that we have here at McLaren Flint that is available for patients. And I like to have them call or email and reach out to me to explain it to them and meet with one of our radiation oncologists to see if that is the best treatment for them. It really is made to have less side effects to the area that is treated, and we're adding more and more technology and treatment modalities every day.
And so from your perspective, you're seeing these patients go through their journey, go through proton therapy. Are you really seeing, a difference in their behaviors and the way that they are getting treated compared to, the radiation type of therapy?
Yes, absolutely. We find that, for example, a breast cancer patient may not have as much skin changes to the area that's being treated. But with either treatment, I want patients to know that we will find the best treatment for them, whether it be proton or photon normal radiation therapy, as they call it. But patients, that is our goal, and the goal of proton therapy is so patients do experience less side effects to the treated area.
We always love to hear that, improving quality of life. We love
Absolutely.
to see that. So if anyone wants to find out if they're a good candidate for proton therapy or just want to learn more, what should they do next?
They absolutely can call at 1-855-MY-PROTON or 855-697-7686, or they can go online at mclaren.org/proton therapy, and I will absolutely be more than happy to speak with them.
Drita, anything else you want to add for our viewers this morning?
No, just that I appreciate everyone's kindness and bravery when they walk into this building, and I am here for them as all the other staff of the Cancer Center.
And we appreciate you being kind of that extra hand to hold. So appreciate your time this morning, Drita. Thanks for coming on.
Thank you so much.
You're very welcome. So for more information on proton therapy, you can go to the hot links section on our website at WNEM.com.